What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning into another video. As you can see, my glasses are wet. It is wet outside. It is pouring out there. You're probably saying, what is this? Well, I got a topper for the truck. That's one thing I got. I'm selling the tonneau cover. I bought the topper for the truck because boy, does it make a big difference. I can take the dogs in the back, take them to the dog park, and then they can go for a walk. But that's not why we're here. No, it's not. We are here because I got the plate off this truck. We bought a car. Didn't mean to buy it. Basically, I don't know what happened, but I put a bid in and it kept bidding after I put my bid in, but yet I ended up winning it. I don't know what happened, but let's go get it. All right, guys, so we just made it here. We are now at Copart here. I'm not sure what the address is, but it's here in Nisku, Alberta. Just waiting. I went in there and showed them all my papers, everything, but they want proof that the Envoy is insured. Now, I have insurance. I showed them the proof of my insurance, but it has to show the proof of the Envoy being insured in order for me to pull it off the lot. I don't know about anybody else, but most insurance companies, okay, you basically email them with everything going on now. You email them and tell them what you want, and they'll get back to you. Could be today, could be tomorrow, could be, you know what I mean? We're going into the weekend, so it could be a couple days from now. And I said to the wife, I said, I'm not going to leave here and come back and tow it out of here. There's no way I'm going to do that, right? I'm not spending the money that I don't need to do that. So what I did is, her mother, the mother-in-law, is a broker for the insurance I deal with. So what I did is I called her up. Thank God she's right there to help me out. She's going to email it to me, and I'll have it within a couple minutes. Other than that, it could have been Monday or Tuesday before I got the insurance, the proof of insurance. So, you know, and if I didn't pick it up by Monday at the latest, then I would be charged extra days for having to hold it here. Do you see, like, with everything going on, it would have just cost me more money. Either way, you know, whether I went and got a trailer or I waited, it would have ended up costing me money. And I wasn't about that. I wasn't about to cost me money. Like, literally, not a chance. So, anyways, with that said, we got that taken care of. We're just waiting now for the come through on my email, and then we'll get the car. We'll show you exactly what I got, and we'll take her for a ride home. Hopefully it makes it. I have no idea. I have never seen this vehicle. Basically, to be honest with you folks, I threw a bid on it. I was like, you know what, it seemed like nobody was bidding on it, so I threw a bid and I won it. And it's an active vehicle. Like, literally what I paid for it, $750. Like I said to the wife, I could turn around and sell it tomorrow for $1,500 and, you know, make a profit. So I couldn't believe it. And it was on approval too. That's another thing. It was on approval, and they approved the $750. So here we are. We'll wait, and then we'll get the vehicle and we'll show you. All right, guys, so unfortunately they were right busy there with tow trucks coming in and out. I couldn't really do nothing. They only have a small little entrance for people to get in and out. I don't know what's going on with this. My speed is not working, so I will have to fix that. I'm sure it's probably nothing major. This is a GM, so, you know, it's nothing major. The windshield is cracked quite bad. I don't know. We'll see what to do with that situation. But other than that, the vehicle doesn't seem too bad. Now, we just left there. I don't know. I never checked the lights to see if they all work or not. I should have checked them, I guess, to make sure, but we'll figure it out. hopefully everything is fine. We'll know here in a second. I'm gonna stop and get the light to let me know if the signal lights are working, if the lights are working. I'm gonna check that before I get out on the main road. The kids, I do have the kids with me back there. They enjoy this drive, so I think maybe the problem with the speedometer might even be the battery might be low. Maybe I just need to reset it and it'll be fine. I don't know, we'll see. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go up here and I'm gonna pull over, talk to the wife for a sec, just make sure that my lights are working. Okay folks, so we're a little farther. It seems to be all right. I don't know, you comment below and you tell me, what do you think? Do you think it's gonna make it back? Now, we bought this active title. I know you haven't seen the outside of it yet. The windshield is cracked, we know that. Speedometer is not working, the RPMs is working though. So, nor is the dash lights, so I don't believe they are. They don't seem to be. That could be a dim switch, I don't. Yeah, the dim switch is up, so I don't know. That may be a daylight thing, or I'm not sure. That's my running lights. Everything seems to be all right. You know, like there is a couple things that need to be touched up, like the windshield to start. The truck needs a cleaning bad. I say truck, but SUV. Needs a cleaning bad. It is pretty dirty, but we'll show you. We'll show you when we get back. Everything. It doesn't seem too bad. I do hear in the exhaust. I hear a little hole, but that's nothing I can't fix very easily. Like it's probably just a donut gasket is what I'm hearing. Like. Basically getting bad, right? That's what it sounds like. I could be wrong. Could be a hole in the exhaust, a little tiny hole. But there's a couple little things that need fixing up, and I will get them done. I'm not too concerned. There's nothing I can't do to an active vehicle. So let's keep going. See if we make it home, and you know, comment below what you think so far, or comment below what you think of this vehicle. All right, folks, we are a little farther, and the speedometer seems to be working now. I don't know if you can see that, but it is working. We're going here, so I'm going to get over here. It seems to be working just fine. The truck is, you know, overall it's not bad. I mean, there's some stuff that needs fixing, and I'll show you as soon as we get back to the house here, but overall this thing is not bad for what I paid. And $750 for this is definitely, you know, with fees and everything, it was $1,106 out the door. So you know, it's got 266,000 kilometers on it, but it's a GMC, right? It's a GM. You know, basically, as long as you take care of them, you'll have no issues with them. You know, as we speak of it, there's a Pontiac Montana, another freaking awesome vehicle. They were known for their transmission, but they drove, and there was never an issue with them. So, we'll see. We'll get this home. I'll check everything out. It's got heated seats.
Some bad seats back here.
Some bad seats. What's wrong with them?
This one has bad. The other one doesn't.
Oh, it's missing it. Oh, yeah, that's not a big deal. And what it needs is a good cleaning. I can see that. It needs a real good cleaning. So we're going to have to get some real good stuff to clean it, because it is dirty. It is... Oh, look at that. Oh.
What's that?
That's a DVD player.
Yeah. Oh, we can watch TV.
Yep.
Dad, how do we watch it again?
Huh?
We watch it. And there's like a little music setup out here.
Yeah. You put a DVD in and you can watch it. I don't know if it works or not. We'll have to check it out, but
We watch it now.
huh?
And I wonder what those
We'll check her out when we get home. Put your window up, bud. Put your window up.
Oh, yeah. The thing I don't really like back here, but I kind of do like.
What is that?
The door handles they can open.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We can fix that. But, anyways, folks, we're gonna keep heading her back home. When we get there, we'll show you the rest of her. All right, folks. Here we are. We are home. We got this here 2004 Envoy. What is it? 4.3 in it? I don't know. Doesn't look too bad. It's an active title. I paid $750. Here's where we got the problem. We got a ding here where it was hit. We got a ding here where it was hit, and a ding here where it was hit. And what I'll do is I'll go into the back panel here and I'll push those out. I should be able to push those out easy. We need a light because this one for some reason is all taped up. I will replace that there because that's that. It needs a bumper. I'll see if I can get a bumper. And it's missing the part right here that's supposed to be here, which isn't a bad thing. I can fix that. And a windshield. Couple of minor little things it needs, like you see this here one is coming off here. Basically what I'll do is I'll take it off and I'll reseal it with a new seal and it'll be fine. But minor little things that can be fixed. The tires are fairly decent tires. Maybe they could be better, I guess. I don't know. And it's missing this here, the back wiper. I don't even know if that works, but I'll check that out after. How do we... Spare tire. This vehicle was definitely owned by someone that basically was off-road. They were in the woods because it is dusty and dirty as frig. So, oh look, it is there. It's right there. That piece is there, folks. Look at that. Perfect. So all I have to do is sand this down, get all that old glue off, put new glue on, and then put them back on, and it'll be good. That's wicked. It does have a DVD player. The DVD player does work, so that's a bonus too. What do we got in here? Just a jack and stuff. Nothing major. We'll leave that in there. Yeah, overall, it's, in my opinion, for $750, is it a good deal? I think so. I think so. Like I said, it definitely needs a cleaning. Like, it is filthy. The battery is shot too. That's why the gauges weren't working properly. But overall, it seems fine, and it needs cleaned. It needs cleaned big time. Like, it is terribly dirty. So I will get her cleaned up. You know, and we'll go from there. Leather interior. You know what this could have been? This could have been one of those rig trucks, right? That was out at the rigs, you know, hauling the workers back and forth. But you know, like you see all the mud in here. I will have to, you know, pressure wash all this here, and hopefully get her all clean. But for now, I have other things that I have to go do right now. My son wants me to go pick him up, so I'm gonna go pick him up, and he's gonna come over for the night,
Daddy,
and hang out with us. What, buddy?
I want to test out this TV player. TV player.
Oh, what do they
Daddy,
got
I
going
want
on
to
here?
test out the TV player.
That looks like it should be inside there like this.
Daddy, I want to
I'm gonna throw it in there like that. That's the way it should look. See?
Daddy!
That looks more normal. So I'll have to check that out. Anyways, with that said, I gotta get going. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget, give it that thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.